In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Folders. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create folders and organize your existing lists so your workspace stays clean and easy to navigate. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the homepage, select Login. If you use Google for authentication, choose Continue with Google, then pick your Google account to sign in. This is the fastest way to get into your workspace. If you're already signed in, ClickUp may take you straight to your home screen. Once you're in, choose the team space where you want to work with folders. Think of a team space as the top-level area for a department or a project group. If you have more than one, make sure you're in the one that should own the folders you're about to create. To add a folder, look for the plus icon in the left sidebar and select Folder. Give your folder a clear descriptive title, something that groups related lists like IT operations or client projects. Then click Create. This gives you a dedicated container to keep related lists together. Now let's organize existing lists into that folder. Click a list like Server Management to open it, then move it into the folder you just created. You can usually do this by dragging the list in the sidebar into the folder or by using the Lists menu and choosing Move To, then selecting your folder. Repeat that process for cloud services, IT support, help desk, and cybersecurity services. The goal here is to place each list in the most logical folder so your team can find things quickly and avoid confusion. Next, let's create another folder for a different set of work. Click the plus icon again, choose Folder, enter a title that fits the theme you're grouping, perhaps social media, and click Create. Clear naming is key. It helps everyone understand where things belong without guessing. With that folder ready, move your social-focused lists into it. Open Social Media Management and move it to the new folder. Do the same for social media marketing, social media services, and social media support. Whether you drag and drop or use the move option, the result is the same. All related lists live together, which makes planning, reporting, and permissions management much easier. That's it. You've logged in, created folders, and organized your lists for clarity. Keep folder names consistent, review them periodically, and you'll keep your ClickUp workspace streamlined and ready for growth.